We're going to do number one, the double linear inequality, short version. Remember the rule in math that says if you do something to one side, you must do it to the other? Well, if you notice, there's three parts to this. There's the left side, the middle part, and the right side. And our goal is to get x alone. If you just look at it like that, your first thought is subtract 4, and you would be correct. But because it's between, you have to subtract 4 from the end and from this end. So from both the beginning and the end, you need to subtract 4. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. That leaves just 3x in the middle. This inequality is still there, but 16 minus 4 is 12. This inequality does not change, and this makes negative 6. So we've got to come up with an x that is between this and this when we multiply it by 3. To undo multiplication with 3, you divide. And if you just had that, you'd have divide by 3, divide by 3. But it's surrounded by 12 and negative 6. So when you divide by 3, you divide by 3 here, and you divide by 3 here. So yes, you will do it 3 times because you have to take care of the front end and the back end. Negative 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 4. So you've proven that for that original inequality to work, your x has to be between negative 2 and positive 4. So let's graph it. It has to be between negative 2 and positive 4. This just says less than. There is no equal, so therefore it cannot be closed. It must be open. And when I stand at the negative 2, I notice all of my answers are to the right of me. So I need the open bracket that curves to the right. My 4 has an equal sign on it, which means I need a closed bracket. When I stand at my 4, all my numbers are to the left of me. So I need the closed bracket that shows or points to the left. And then to write that in interval notation, remember you're going to just take negative 2 and 4 and put them side by side. And then copy the brackets that you used. Negative 2 was open and 4 was closed. Much simpler and faster than the long version.